Basic Computer Assembly. We will discuss about the parts and how to assemble a computer. Hi, I'm your host and I'm here to explain the basic parts and components of a computer before we proceed to the assembly itself. The power supply. It provides power to the whole computer and it's capable to convert high voltage to low voltage power for the internal components of the computer. The motherboard, the heart of the computer. It connects and controls all essential elements to work together. Video card. It refers as the graphic processing unit since it is optimized to work specifically with images. The better the video card, the better the image output. The RAM, or the random access memory. It stores data for short-time use or temporarily. Data stored in RAM is erased when you reboot the computer. The hard disk drive. It is a permanent storage that stores all software installed in the computer. And that's it. So let's now proceed to the proper assembly of a computer. These are the internal hardware of the computer. It consists of motherboard, power supply, hard disk drive, CPU fan and computer fan, RAM, video card, and other cables that connect to the motherboard like SATA cable. First, insert the motherboard inside the case. Make sure that it's all screwed and on its proper place, just like in the plate. Then secure front panel connections, such as lights, USB ports, and audio connections. Then install the power supply. It will be the responsible for giving power to the unit. There are a lot of cables connected to the power supply, and one of its components is the 2480X in which provides the power to the motherboard. Install the hard drive by mounting it to the 3.5 drive bay. Insert the SATA cable for connecting and transferring data to the hard disk. Next is the RAM. Install the RAM in the socket just as shown in the picture. Press firmly on the both ends to make sure it is locked. Install graphic cards, video card, and expansion cards. And here's an example of a step-by-step procedure on how to assemble a computer unit. In this video, you will learn how to reformat a computer. First, you need a compact disk or CD in which stores the data of operating system you wanted to reformat. Next, you will secure the device that you are using on the BIOS system to make it bootable first. In this process, you can customize your computer in terms that you wanted. that's it. You will quickly install the operating system